First, let me show you how to remove the old part. Now we have the door panel off, we can go ahead and remove the glass channel. We want to start probably in the corner. Now it's going to be really dry and brittle. It's going to break on you. It's just going to take some time to get all of it out. So we're going to start here. You can see it's starting to break. Now there's going to be two plastic clips right here, and more than likely they're going to stay into the body. And that's okay. You can get a needle nose plier and pull those out. And if you're lucky, you can slide this up, but you're probably not going to be that lucky. So, now I got really lucky on taking mine out. If you're not and you break off inside the door, you're going to have to reach in through the door here with some needle nose pliers and just work at it and get it all out. Alright, I'm going to continue along the top here. Now, this clip stayed right up in there, and we'll get that in a second. Okay, both clips stayed in, so I'm going to grab the needle nose pliers. So now I'm going to carefully extract this clip. And we're ready to put the new ones in. I'm going to remove the division post glass run here. And it's going to be dry and brittle. I'm going to go slow, see if I can get it out without breaking it. Now we're ready to reinstall the glass runs. The first one we're going to do is the division bar post that goes right here. It's held on with double-sided tape on the back of the glass run. In order to put the glass run in, we need to make some room. We make some room by sliding the glass back. In order to slide the glass back, we need to drop a metal glass run channel right here via these two bolts, which are 7/16. So I'm holding on to the bracket inside the door, so I take this last bolt out, then just carefully set it down inside the door. And it'll sit on right in the bottom of the door. This will allow us to just carefully slide the glass back. Keep in mind that it's loose in there, so you don't want to be closing or working on the door. So we're going to get started by putting this one in. What you're going to need to do is remove the tape liner, because we're going to put it in like this and get it started and work our way down. So now I have it inside the door. I'll remove the liner and tuck it up here. Make sure to center it in the channel and push it in. So I'm just going to keep working my way down. I'm squeezing it together as I'm pushing in. Now I'll take a weather strip installation tool here, and I'll keep pushing it in all the way down here. What I've done here is I rolled up the glass, which moves the mechanism up, allowing room for my arm to get all the way into the bottom of the division post so I can finish seating in the glass run, and then we can roll the glass up and down and it will completely seat into the channel. We now have the glass channel all the way into the division post here. So I'm going to slide the glass back in. Make sure you get it into the channel. And then I'm going to reattach the inside metal channel from the inside of the door with the 2 bolts. Now that we have installed the division bar glass run channel, we can do the upper, which goes along the top and the sides. The upper section here has 2 pins that are located into the holes up here, and that's where you want to start. So we're going to put in the first clip with the hole right here, so line it up. And work your way back, pinching it together until you get to the last hole. And kind of use your fingers. A weather strip installation tool comes in handy right here too. Want to make sure these clips are seated all the way. And then we'll start working our way down. So we got the second clip in. The next section is the back part here. What we want to do is actually put the end into the door. We're going to suggest using some foaming glass cleaner here. And this will help get it lubricated to get it into the channel easier. So we'll stick that down here. And we'll come back up here. Again, you want to make sure that the glass run is centered into the channel. And as you work down into the door, you can use a weather strip installation tool here that seat it into the channel. So now we have the glass run down inside the door. This is the last section we need to do. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll up the glass. And by rolling up the glass, we're going to have one point that crosses the glass run. So we want to make sure that it gets behind the glass. You may have to pull up on the glass when we're doing this, but it's going to pinch right in here. So we're going to start rolling up. You can see what it's doing. We want to push against it. Right here is the pinch point. Let's keep going up. It's going to get real tight. As it comes up, it's going to free it up again. We're all the way up. Now we have complete access for our hand to get in here and fully seat the glass run into the metal channel. Now that we have the door glass all the way up, I can get my hand in here and I can seat the rest of the glass run into the metal channel. So I pinch it together, make sure it's centered, work my way all the way down. Now I have this in, I'm going to roll down the glass, and that's going to seat the rest of the glass run into the channel where we want it. All the way down, and go all the way back up. And we're done. One last point to make is to keep your door glass up for a period of time. This will help make the glass run conform to your particular door.